Okay, so I saw this the other day and I really wanted to try it. This is Sound Sparkling Water, but look at this flavor, y'all. It is hibiscus tea with blueberry, cinnamon, like hibiscus tea, blueberry, and cinnamon. Like, it's sparkling water, but it's tea? What? I need to try it. So, with my Alfredo for dinner, I'm going to try this. Let's see. It doesn't have a smell at all. Nothing. It smells like air. Which is weird because there's like 5 flavors in here and I'm already like disappointed. Hold on. It really has no smell. It really has no smell. Wow. Wow. What? God, that's sparkling. God, sparkling. It's like as soon as you put it in your mouth, it's like pop rocks, man. And they're like, the cinnamon is so heavy. It's like sparkle. It's like cinnamon pop rocks. Man, I gotta save that. I got other people. I have to have other people try that. That is something. I honestly cannot tell if I like it or not. I don't think I do. I don't think I like it. I don't think I like it. That was really weird. That was really weird. That was a really weird drink. A real weird drink for sure. Yeah, cinnamon pop. It was like, it said sit. Wow. I don't know about it, guys. Oh no. It's like if you put cinnamon in a Perrier or whatever it's called. I'm too poor to afford the sparkling water. Is it the P one? The Perrier? How do you say it? You know what I'm talking about. All right, good night.